Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a slime shop review, and there's a few different slime shops in here from some of my friends and then some just random slimes that I thought looked nice. But the first slime that I have here is a purple butter jiggly slime with foam beads. So it looks like this. It is a really nice stretchy slime. It's quite pokey, and like I can make quite good bubbles and popping noises with it, and I can make really nice swirls like this. Let me just show you. That is my swirl. And just listen to the pokes. So yeah, that's my first slime. And there are a few more coming up. So the next slime I have is a green cream cheese slime. And so it's cream cheese slime is just a really thick slime, but it's still stretchy and nice. It is quite poppy, but it still isn't as poppy as the other one. And let me just do a bubble for you guys. See, it's not as clicky, I guess you could say. But it's much clickier, I guess you could say. Like, way clickier. Just like listen. Yeah, but this slime overall is super nice, super thick, not too jiggly, so it doesn't kind of melt in my hands. So yeah, that's that slime, and let's move on to the next slime. So the next slime I have here is a really nice big container of pink slime, and it is mixed with a little bit of a clear slime, so it's kind of a slime smoothie. And it has some clay in it, so it's partly butter. And this one isn't as stretchy as the other two, but it is really nice to just squeeze and poke. But yeah, that's that slime. Now let's move on to the next one, which is it has lots of beads in it. Like, if you can tell there's lots of beads. And I hope that these beads don't fall out. So let's just check. Oh my gosh, they go everywhere. Okay, this slime is super duper messy, so it's definitely not the best slime that I got off Etsy. Let's just move on to the next one right away. So the next slime we have here is just a small pinky white regular slime. It has no add-ins. It's just a regular slime with no like beads, no glitter, no nothing. This one's a little bit rubbery, if you can tell. This is really stretch. So this one definitely was a fail order. It was only $2. So, I mean, it wasn't exactly worth it, but it wasn't not good. So the next slime I have here is a like, I don't know how to explain it. It has like glitter glue mixed with white glue, and it's a jiggly slime kind of. So yeah, it's that slime. Now let's move on to the next one. So this next one is a small, big butter slime. Yeah, that's that one. And the next slime I have is a white butter slime. I got. Let's move the container over there. That's that slime. And we're almost to the end of my slimes. This is another white butter slime. This one's a lot stretchier. And it's really spready. Let me just show you. So this is the last slime I have. And it is a small, just one of these metal containers filled with yellow butter slime. And this butter slime is my favorite butter slime ever. It is super duper stretchy, other than that part, which was a little bit weird. It is like super stretchy, and it is quite clicky. And I'll do a little tiny swirl on my hand. It's just a very soft butter slime, I guess you could say. But that's that. So that was my last slime of this video. And yeah, I just subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and comment your favorite type of slime. And I will comment back. And yeah, that's the last of my slimes that I have ordered off of Etsy. Okay, see ya!